relax on the morning.
That was sick. That was a little scary. That one was sick.
Three Nana.
That is 3 nanas. Good job.
Yellow Daddy.
I love you, baby. I'll see you soon, okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Peter.
Act bye. What's up, guys? We're at Keystone. Of course, it's the only place open near me in Colorado. And we're super stoked. We got some fresh snow. It's like about ½ an inch, which we're taking it, guys. We're gonna take ½ inch and we're gonna run with it. Hopefully they're able to blow more snow and get closer to opening some more runs. That's what we're really hoping for at Keystone, is more runs open, because every time we ride School Marm, I think the Yellow Jackets are gonna steal my pass, and that's why I decided to go incognito and kind of blend in and go Yellow Jacket today. Maybe I'll pull some people over if they're like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
If they're not going fast enough.
Yeah, like, hey, go faster. No, I'm joking. Okay, wait. All that being said, we're gonna go rip. Still on new boots. Gotta break them in. Like I said, the first 3 days of breaking in a new pair of boots is pretty tough. But once you get them broken in, money. All right, enough talking. Let's go ride.
Boot pain. After every run, I gotta like get off the snowboard, loosen the boots. It's so painful. So the best part about the fresh snow that we just got is now all the mountains surrounding us have snow on top. So you come out here and it was like all not snowy. So now it actually feels like winter, which is really cool. And then tonight, we're supposed to get like another 8 inches or something. What up? How you doing? It's Nolan!
Yeah. Dose. Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020 and they notice the vision. You be the hero, I'm playing the villain. The underdogs and we walk in the building. We getting money, yeah, they think that we dealing. They talking hot, yeah, they opponents and we won't stop till we all touch $1 million. Don't ever forget, but we probably forgive them. I'm living, taking the cause that was given my blessing. from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, I'm trying to get where I'm going, but haters be trolling, that's why they thinking you got me right where you want me. I tell a ghost just ducked up. Sending them shots, we send them back. Y'all ain't really bout that. Run, it's always bounce back. Need more hands just to count that. Stay on my belly, I need me more breeze just so we can get the team right. Loaded up fully, dogs on a leash, and you be knowing that's a scary sight. Don't happen overnight. Work smarter with some sacrifice. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. Mix it up, now you got a slice. We bridging the gap, they want us to rap, so go we back. Hey, yeah. Drew need a plaque, we turn to the max, and we never lacked. Hey, yeah. Been in my bag, it's a drag, I'm feeling jet lagged. Hey, yeah. Came back for vacation, and I ain't unpacked, cause I'm going back. Facts, ooh, double the racks, TD the bank.
This is the longest line I've had to experience in the maze, and that makes me think of one thing, Nolan. Today's sticker shout out, we got Ben with the white Evolution sticker on the board. Looking so sick, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Guys, if you want to get an Evolution sticker, they're all linked in the description. We released like a new electric one. We got a bunch of new designs, cool like mountain ones. Like, you guys got to check out the new stickers. They're sick. But also, if you snag any of the merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But make sure you also follow the Instagram. It's the behind the scenes. It's what's going on in the day to day. You can see so much cool extra content if you follow it. So follow the Instagram, tag me, and let's keep snowboarding. It's after this roll. Am I in a good spot? Whoa! It's weird. When you backflip, I'm not even impressed. It's so dumb.
Oh, you backflip?
Next time. Told you it was backflippable. Sorry. Dude, what are we doing on the left side? There's too many jumps. Alright guys, despite how sick today is and the massive crew we've collected, even Avery showed up. We gotta call this chipmunk. It's Sunday, there's football. The wife said, you can snowboard today, but come home for football. So we'll be, gotta make it home, even though the Packers already won. What a sick day. Make sure you guys smash like. It's been such a fun day so far. Smashing the like button helps the YouTube algorithm tremendously. I would love to see if this video could get 300 likes. I know people do like challenges. I've never done one, so this is the first like challenge. 300 likes. You think it's possible? Let's do it. You almost killed me. It's amazing how much of a difference just a little bit of fresh snow will make on your day out on the mountain. Dolan, dude, how was your day?
So sick. So stoked.
I mean, you might still be riding. I'm out of here.
Yeah, I'm out of here too.
I'm gonna ride Nolan right into this pole. Oh! So I got charged for 2 epic passes. I don't know how they did it, but I, Johnathan Buckhouse, have 2 epic passes. So I'm gonna go in, because you can't call Vail Resorts for some reason. I'm gonna go into the ticket office, hopefully get this resolved, because I want my money back.
And if not, for those of you who don't know, Johnathan and I, way down here, Johnathan and I are racing to 10,000 followers on Instagram. And if you don't know, you get a lot more benefits when you get 10,000 followers. We can swipe up and give you guys direct links to all our awesome videos and stickers. So if you want to help Johnathan win, follow him right here. And if you want to help me win, follow me right here.
with the gold on the helmet. Dude, it
Literally
looks
just
so
put it on.
good,
That's
my
it.
dude.
Yeah, good to see you.
Follow the boy on Instagram.
Yeah, I'll go. Much love, man.
How do we get inside to talk to somebody?
What's the issue?
I got charged 2 Epic passes. Me? Yeah, great guys. Thank you. I'm so happy I don't have to walk that crazy maze. Thankfully, that was super easy. So I recommend if you guys have pass issues, try to just come to Keystone and get it resolved. Sir, I just got to grab my snowboard again. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. I do want to touch on, a lot of people are worried they can't book for opening day Breck right now. I've been getting a ton of messages about that. Everybody that's having issues with that, I believe the Wednesday to Wednesday that they were talking about is when they'll open up in the early season, then next week for booking reservations. So every Wednesday, I think there's gonna open up that next week, just so you guys know. All right, guys. Today was sick, but tomorrow is gonna be way more sick because it should be a pow day. We getting first chair?
First chair, powder. I need Jonathan to teach me how to do powder slashes like he does. They are so gorgeous.
The thing is, I made that how-to video. Go watch it. Just like you guys. If you want power slashes like me, check this video out right there. That's how we do power slashes. And then subscribe to the channel, because my goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible by making videos like that one right there. But also keeping you guys up to date on like how to get your past issues fixed like I did, because you can't call Epic Resorts right now and stuff like that. So subscribe to the channel. I got some knowledge for you guys. I've been doing this for a while. I feel like I know what I'm doing. So subscribe and jump on the journey, because season 5 has already been sick, but it's gonna be a game-changing year.
Just getting started.
Dude, we're just getting started. Also, guys, it's early season. If you need any snowboard gear, all of my gear, that yellow jacket, my snowboard pants, my boots, my goggles, my gloves are all linked in the description. If you need any gear, my gear is down there. And if it has a coupon code like Pearl Wax, if you need snowboard wax, I got 20% off of you with code BUCK20. So all of the discounts and all that stuff, guys, is linked down below. And lastly, give the boy Benton a follow. He did 4 backflips today.
I only landed 3 of them.
Yeah. So truly, you suck. Oh, dude. Oh, you only get dabs if you get all 4. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
Roman does it way better.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff hang.
You know how long it'll take? Oh!